Dear Santa letter this year asking for a little bit more square footage. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team, and today we're just going to talk a little bit about what that might cost jolly old St. Nicholas in 2022. So the average range for a home addition is $20,000 to $100,000 based on 2021 numbers according to Fixer.com, and the average homeowner ended up spending around $55,000 for a 240 square foot addition on the first floor. Now the low end cost is $7,000 for a first floor, just a bump out, while the highest is around $200,000 for a 1,000 square foot second floor addition, which includes a roof arrangement as we're changing the contour of the house. In general, expect to pay roughly $200 a square foot for a finished addition, not including the upgrades with counters, additional bathrooms, bars, etc. that you may be adding to the house. Additions come in all shapes and sizes, so it's a jolly good idea to get several estimates and talk with multiple contractors before taking the plunge. Curious if your neighborhood will hold the value for the cost of this addition? We'd be happy to send you a market update just showing prices in your neighborhood to make sure that that investment will have a return for you in the end. Happy holidays and good luck with that square footage, jolly old St. Nick.